In this video, we're going to show you how to install the sway bar end link on your Toyota Camry located behind your front wheels. Using our 21mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel and set it aside. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove the nut holding the upper portion of our sway bar end link to the strut. Now on the bottom portion here where our sway bar end link comes in, so if this was up top like so, just go ahead and push that over. On the bottom side, we're going to use a box end wrench here. May install the upper portion of our end link here to try and hold it a little bit better. You can see my wrench does have a bend in it. You can use a regular wrench if you want. And what you might experience is that the unit itself, the stud that goes through, is going to start to spin. We're going to use a number 6 Allen key on our ratchet. I'm going to put our wrench on this and put it in the center. We're going to use this to spin the actual center to loosen that nut. You're probably just going to get to the point where you can unthread that nut by hand. Give that a shot. And go ahead and remove the bottom. Take the component, line that up. Make sure you're above the tie rod end. And go ahead and get that nut started. All right, let's go ahead and thread that all the way down. We're simply going to reverse the procedure here. I'm going to go ahead and tighten that nut. All right, let's go ahead and install the upper. Let's go ahead and bring this around, get that installed, get the nut started. I'm just going to run this all the way down by hand, bottom it out. Now at this point here, we can go ahead and torque down the upper and lower nuts to 55 foot-pounds. All right, let's go ahead and get that lower. Now that we've completed the job, you want to go ahead and install your wheel. Don't forget to bring it down for an alignment, get that performed. That's going to help prevent premature tire wear and component wear. Install the wheel. Let's go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started. Once we have them all started, we'll come on back and snug them down. Let's go ahead and snug them down. Do not over tighten. Let's now go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. I prefer to do this in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.